This is Alta Plus 263 AGH. With uncompromising quality and functionality, Alta Plus combines the ultra stability, durability, ease of use and reliability that every photographer needs. Plus its legs adjust to 25, 50 and 80 degree angles for low angle shooting. Its GH100 pistol grip style ball head enables ultra fast, secure and precise camera or spotting scope positioning. Let's see a quick demo. As you can see, it got 3 legs and 1 center column. They have given a foam here, foam grip, so that you will be able to hold it properly. The build quality is amazing. Okay, I will give 10 out of 10 marks for the build quality. Going next, these three main legs, the columns, has the locks here, as you can see. So you see here these two notches. When you unlock it, you can extend the leg. And if I unlock this, it can even go further. Put it back, lock it. So you can see here, 3 legs, 1 center column. This is your main platform. Then you have a pistol, and here you'll be keeping your camera. So let's talk about the platform first. So on the platform side, you will find there are two knobs. They are not knobs actually, these are 2 screws you will find. One is here, another one is here. Then you will find one bubble level here on the platform. When I lose this screw, what will happen? I will be able to move the entire platform. You can see it here, the center column is also moving. So 360 degree I can move. Okay, so you're putting your camera here, locking your camera on this notch, and you'll be able to move 360 degree. So this we achieved with this lock, which is here. Okay, so let me tighten this now. So this is the first 360 degree movement we have seen. So camera will move 360 degree angles. Next, there is a notch here. So remove. Next is a screw here. So let me lose this. So when I loosen this, what now I can do, I can lift my center column. So camera is here, I can increase the height of it. So I can increase the height of my 3 main columns. We have already seen here these notches, it will increase the height. And if you want even a further height, you can increase the height through this switch. You loosen this and you can lift it. Let's talk about how you'll be mounting your camera on it. So here you will find, other side, you'll find a lock. So you press this and you unlock it. The moment I unlock it, on this you'll be mounting your camera, and you can tighten it through this screw. So once you mount it, the camera, you can simply put it back. You just press it and it will be locked automatically. As simple as that. Now your camera is mounted. Okay. With the platform, we have seen that with one switch, which is here, you can 360 degree move. The center column will move 360 degree along with your camera. Now you want even more further functionality. What you can do? You can you can use this knob. So let me loosen this. The moment I lose this, now look closely, I will be able to move my camera. This mount. Remember, my center column is not moving. So this is from your pistol. You'll be able to move it. So camera will move 360 degree. You lock it, it won't move. It will be rock solid. This is one knob. There's another knob which is here. You see it here? You lose this and your pistol ball will start moving. You see it here? This is also 360 degree. This is amazing. You can lift it like this, you can put it back, you can move the way you want. You can have a nice grip here, just like a pistol, a gun you have, and you can hold it and you can move it. So this is simply amazing. I love this feature. So the point which I wanted to make is, you can move your center column. From your platform side, you have one swing, feature. The next, from your pistol side, you can move this part, only the mounting where you have mounted your camera, this mounting stack you can move, and then later on you can move even your entire pistol. So you have 3 swing switches, so you can take advantage of all of these switches, so you can have a nice shot. Now going further, now let's talk about the best feature of this tripod. This is the main reason why I bought this tripod. The best feature is this. Look at here. So you see a notch here. So let me lose this. What will happen, as we have already seen, it will help you to increase the height of your camera to the center column. Now you can completely unmount the entire center column. So let me do that for you. So you just lose this small notch here, hold it. Now what you can do with this, see, so there is one mark here, stop. Now you put your, let me put it this way, you hold it up to this mark, up to this top mark. You hold it up to this top mark. Okay, I hold it here. Now at the other side you have this notch. You hold it, that means it will unlock. You hold it and then you pull it. What will happen now? You will be able to swing it this way and make it horizontal. Then you lock it. Locked. This is still movable. I can lock it from here. Oh, sorry. From platform side you can move like this, 360 degree. From pistol side, this is another swing you can do, 360 degree. Again, from pistol side we have already seen, you lose this and you move it the way you want. This is simply amazing. Even going further, they have given one notch here. You see, there is one lock here. So what you can do, you can attach some weight to it to have a nice balance between your camera, because when you put a camera here, the entire load will be at this side. So to have a nice balance, you can put some weight, attach some weight, so that it will be very stable.